exclusive live radar and 9-day forecast, so you'll know first. This is First Alert Weather.
You know, Pete, we were just talking, we had all this drought, we didn't have any weeks of rain, and then just a couple weeks, just storms, rain nonstop.
And, you know, we need the rainfall, and we've been getting a good little share of it. I mean, the past week and a half, but with that comes that severe weather risk. All right, we've not had that really nice light rainfall where it just is no harm to us. Well, it's the same case for tonight. We had it last night, we're going through it again tonight. Now, I don't think these will be tornadic activity like we had yesterday. However, it is worth watching because everything is so unsettled right now in the atmosphere. Eastern Kansas and western Missouri is quiet, according to First Alert Live Doppler radar. A little bit of activity to the north across the state line in Iowa and also in Nebraska. But we're watching this line. It has moved across I-70, along I-70, eastward. These are severe thunderstorm warnings when you see that. And all these warnings so far have been dealt with the damaging winds, wind gusting up to over 60 miles an hour as it heads this way. Now, some of them have weakened. That's a good sign, but I think they're going to hold together at least long enough to affect eastern Kansas and western Missouri. That's why we're going to be here and keep an eye on it all through the night. Now, what's the time scale for us? Probably right after midnight, closer to 1 o'clock. I'm going to say about 1:30, 2 o'clock. We start to see it moving into the metro area on the Kansas side. It kind of moves from west to east. I really don't see it really letting up with the scattered thunderstorms until about 5:30, 6 o'clock in the morning. Then we're left with some partial clearing, but a few stray showers in the afternoon, but nothing severe with that. Right now, the plaza's quiet, it's comfortable, it's clear skies, we're at 80 degrees. Pressure is rising, 29.91 inches. Wind flow has been about 5 to 10 miles an hour. Thermometer readings also look good. Maryville's down to 77, Trenton 73, 78 for Leavenworth, Atchison, Hiawatha 76, Garnett 79. And kind of a broader perspective of clouds and radar combined. Let me take you back out here. There's a line. It stretches all the way down to just in portions of Oklahoma. You can see the thunderstorm activity in Sioux City, Iowa, and also Omaha getting that just north of there. Here's our timeline. This is Future Scan. Around 1 o'clock in the morning, Hiawatha and Diagonal there, and also down to Atchison. I'll advance it to 2 o'clock. It starts to move right into Kansas City in the heart of the metro, and then kind of lingers back. And then around 3:45 to 4 o'clock, it moves east to Kansas City, now west central Missouri. You kind of get the idea. So Marshall, Odessa around 4:30, and then it slowly boots out of here, leaving us with a little bit of cloudiness, but that little spotty shower off and on because of cooler, drier air working its way in. And you're going to feel the difference when it comes to Monday, Tuesday, and most of next week. Recapping quickly, thunderstorms overnight into the early morning hours, a few spotty light showers, nothing significant in the afternoon, high of 81 degrees. And on the 9-day forecast, you'll love this, 80 for a high on Monday, 83 on Tuesday. Humidity levels are very low. A next chance of rain will come on Wednesday, high of 81. And as of right now, we're straight 80s all across the board. Next weekend, highs 83, 84, overnight lows in the 60s.